Hi friends, now we are making egg puffs. Boil the eggs and set aside. Heat the oil on a hot pan. Add the jeera followed by the onion and stir regularly for 10 minutes on low heat till soften. Next add the spice powder. The ginger garlic paste. Heat until onions will become golden color. We add salt, turmeric, chili powder and garam masala. Wait till the spices are cooked 30 seconds or so. Pastry cutter to cut small rectangular sheets approximately the width and length of your hand. 2 tablespoons of sachet filling on one sheet and place 1/2 of a boiled egg on the center. Fold over the pastry. The 2 open edges to seal. You can leave the 2 sides open. Just press slightly. Tuck in any onion masala to prevent it from getting burnt during baking. Roll the puffs lightly with the milk wash. Preparing all the puff pastries. Line the baking pan and arrange the egg puffs on a lower rack on the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till the golden and puffed. Overtimes may vary. Watch your golden puffed pastries. Thank you and please like and subscribe my channel.